Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Fabric inspection procedure. I will telling about fabric inspection procedure. So, first you will visit my channel. Please press this subscribe button and let's get started now. Fabric inspection procedure. Proper for inspection. Visual inspection, measurement, fabric quality check, inspection of fabric construction, identify defects, records results, report finding, communicate with supplier. Fabric inspection procedure. Prepare for inspection. Before starting this inspection, it is important to make sure that you have all necessary tools and requirements. This includes fabric inspection, checklist, a light box, a ruler of nesting tape, and any other requirement for this preparing space test. Visual inspection. A visual inspection is the first step in fabric inspection. Examine this fabric for any observed defects, source and stain, holes, or loose thread. It is important to pay attention and this overall approach of these fabrics. Measurement. Measure the fabric is length, width and weight, and compare this result to the specifications provided. Make note of any deviation. Fabric quality check. I will tell in this next video is fabric quality check.